Hi everybody, Alex Employer here from Expert Forex, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can improve the support that we provide using free software. And this free software is Loom. That is great screen recording software. So all you do is you go to loom.com and you click on Get Loom for free. And it lets you sign on in many ways. You can use Google, you can use an email, and you then create an account, which is extremely fast to do. When you've signed up, you have an option to have a desktop application or a Chrome extension. I have gone for the Chrome extension. When you activate the recording, you can select a microphone or a webcam. I don't use a webcam, just use a microphone and start your recording. I've loaded my MT4 platform where the problem is, and I am starting to record right now. So I am trying to test the Make Money Trader. I say start, I go to the report and there's no results. So this is my problem. So this is what I'll send to Expert Forex. I say, here is the journal. It's saying there are all kinds of problems that I'm having to initialize my EA and get it to test. Can you help me? And I then click on finish. The recording then goes to my browser, and there is the link for this particular video. So all I have to do is copy that link, and paste it into an email and send it off to Expert Forex support, either at EA Factory or at info@Expert Forex, and say, this video explains my problem. And seeing this in video format will help us support you even more. So I hope you found this helpful, and also take this into account when you are requesting support from Expert Forex. From me, Alex Employer, cheerio.